Here at Southside High School, at our CT program and the automotive program, we get the partnership with Toyota. And Toyota not only trains our students for 2 years, but then offers an employment them for after graduation. And that's employments for our female students and our male students. This is a great opportunity for them to move ahead in their career once graduation happens.
This opportunity is second to none. We're going to teach you everything you need. You just bring the effort. Give you the opportunity to make your success. These opportunities right here are all stackable. They can take them as far as they want to go, as high as they want to go. So Toyota sits really close to Southside.
Working on cars, knowing the background history, the way they won, the horsepower, it's really interests me. I'm getting an opportunity to do something. I still want to make everyone proud, knowing that I'm able to achieve something in life.
I think it'll be a pretty cool experience, you know, to like work with robots and machines now, and like just learn new parts of a car and engines, you know. And also, like, if you get stuck in the road someday, you know what's wrong with your car or something, or you know how to change out your own tire.